So I just got this water tester and I thought I would show you what all it comes with and try it out for the first time with you. I've not pulled this out. This should activate the batteries, and then it does come with extra batteries and this little guide here, and then the user guide here. So what I'm going to do is test some Florida tap water. Glacier Fresh is a reverse osmosis system that I just installed. So that's kind of what I'm wanting to get a feel for, because I'm trying to move away from bottled water because of plastics, right? Um, so yeah, I just want to give this a try and take you guys step by step through me. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Oh, yep, there it goes. And then it just has this thing right here, and so we're going to stick that in the water. I think this is the fill line that you don't want to go past. There's this little like line thing right there. So let's go ahead and fill these up. We'll go ahead and start. I'll just test them one at a time. This is going to be our Florida tap water. I live inland in Florida, but not crazy about the water here. Okay, let's go ahead and stick this in, and then we can use this to see what we're looking at here. Okay. 130 parts per million. And let's see here. In this guide, we're going to have like what to kind of look for. And so this actually isn't too bad because that would fall into the good space if this one says 51 to 150. So that's actually kind of encouraging, right? Like just about my tap water. Okay, now let's take this and we're going to try the new reverse osmosis system. And we'll go ahead and put this here. Okay, I must be doing something wrong. Is it saying the exact same thing, which doesn't really seem right? Let's see. Oh, it tests different, like, so that's parts per million. I'm not actually sure what that is. We have Celsius and Fahrenheit, so it can test the temperature of water, which is kind of cool, but I want to know parts per million. So let me clear. Okay, let's try that. Maybe I was supposed to press something. Okay, let's go back to the Florida tap. Okay, there we go. 138 parts per million. Okay, so let's press clear. And then we're going to do this one again. So we can see there's been a reduction using reverse osmosis to 107, which kind of puts them, I guess, in the same category there. They both fall into the good category, but that does make it a bit better. And then let's try this bottled water just to kind of see what a natural spring water is going to be, just out of curiosity here. Okay, let's clear. And so that's really good, right? Like, but then again, you have the risks of adding plastic. But okay, that's kind of fun. Cool to see what it can do. I'm definitely glad to have this. And honestly, I feel a little bit better about Florida tap water. I want to just put that in there one more time and see. Yeah, wow. Honestly, not too bad. I'm feeling good about all my water options. All right, hope this was helpful to you. Definitely cool to try this out. Oh, I didn't even see this. I didn't even see this. It's got the readings on the other side to help you kind of know what measurements to look for. Okay, it's pretty cool. Have a great day, guys.